new materials,
new advances in material science with the help of AI.
AI is a tool for us with which we can predict properties of materials that don't exist yet.
AI could help generate new molecules and materials with desired properties.
There could be some counterintuitive materials that we wouldn't have imagined that we end up finding thanks to AI.
My research group is called AI for Material Science, short AiMat. We are an interdisciplinary team of researchers with a computer science background and researchers with a background in natural sciences who then translate these tools into research more on the applied side. Progress in materials translates to progress in technology. For example, to tackle urgent challenges like climate change. One particular project that we work on right now is developing new photovoltaics materials with an experimental partner.
The self-driving laboratory can operate in theory continuously, and therefore that output is much higher. One vital thing in solar cell research is always the efficiency and the stability of the solar cells we use. Our ambition in our work is that using AI tools will become a main component of solar cell research, and that we can assist experimental scientists by giving them suggestions of what they should try next.
They measure different solar cells, send us their data, we train machine learning models on this data, we iterate between automated experiments, machine learning model training, and then recommendations.
Experiments are still essential because we need a validation of a prediction in reality. If you can't see it directly, sometimes it's hard to understand. VR can help us have a better sense of scales and depths, and haptic devices can help us feel the force feedbacks when we pull the atoms apart. And then I was squeeze this bond, and I can feel it's hard to squeeze with this haptic glove.
AI has been established as like a fourth pillar of science next to experiment theory and simulation. So it can help us to make choices more efficiently in experiments, to make progress faster. We can accelerate simulations. We can also find patterns in data to help develop new theories.
We often hear about robot versus humans. In this case, it's more like robots for humans.